Tell me why the cat done climbed on top of the utility pole. Out of all the poles she could climb and up. Callie, get down from there. That's why I can't get no work done. Get down. Get down from there now. Come on down. Leave the wire alone. Who? This is why they say curiosity killed the cat. Come from up there now. Now, get down. Get down, Callie. Callie, get down. Get down now. You got up there, you can get down. Get down. Don't jump on the house. Oh no, she did it. Oh, she jumped on top of the house, y'all. What am I going? How am I? Little girl, you better figure out how to get down. Can you jump down on right here? Hold on, Kelly. Okay, come here, baby. Come on, Kelly. Come on, baby. Kelly, please. You are so in trouble.